On the spot now.
Yeah.
Hello guys, how you doing? Come on, come on, So we will start with Chris. So what is TechnoTutor, guys?
Yeah. So what TechnoTutor is that it's something that can really help you achieve a lot more. And so what I mean by that, as in like it's basically increasing your processability of information. Is that let's say before you had your previous life, like you had no drugs, you had nothing, but now you have this. Kind of like the movie Limitless, right? You're watching this. You got the drug to increase your processability. People are doing drugs, like all the rich people and everything. But with this, it's much more of an actual organic type of thing, where you actually like taking out the bugs that you used to believe, your thoughts, who you are, who you think you were, and how you're taking all these things out and you're integrating the new to become the new person that you should become. The actual personality to be able to handle all that money, the personality to be able to handle all those relationships, the personality to be able to handle all those things that you always wanted in life, but you don't have that personality now. So that's what TechnoTutor can do for you and with the network. But it's not going to work if you don't work it. So work it so it'll work for you.
Exactly. It's like kind of like having that key, right? To unlock like your potential.
Because
not to like to install any potential in there, but to really unlock it because it has been locked.
Right. So you need the actual potential key to unlock it, and then turn the knife within you, and then turn that knife within you, so you can like take more action to create what you want in life that you've always wanted, that you always feared to do. So turn that key, turn that knife, you'll go.
Yeah, awesome. So Chris,
Yes.
what would you say is TechnoTutor? What's your like?
All right, so this is how I think about it. I think TechnoTutor, say you're here, bottom floor, you know, you want to reach floor 100, you want to get to the top. You don't want to walk up all the stairs, right? You want to take the elevator.
Yeah, you want to take the fastest route.
You want to take the fastest route, and that's what TechnoTutor will do. If you use it every day and stick to this process, you will be able to reach the floor 100 way quicker.
Yeah, because we were on the call on our Friday self-reflective hangout, and I hear really what your mother said.
Yeah.
How fast you have changed in like very short amount of time. That was really cool.
Yeah, I've only been doing this process for about 4 months now.
That's really cool.
And I've seen myself move up 20 floors. Like I'm every week, every day, I'm seeing more and more change and bettering myself, and I'm firmly like belief that it's because of TechnoTutor.
100%.
Yeah.
100%. Go on.
Thank you, Viany.
So proud.
Thanks.
Mr. Joel.
Viany.
What's up, buddy? My
Man.
Canadian brother. Comment ça va?
Hey, from Germany, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. It's good. It's good.
So why are we here and what's TT?
Yeah, so why are we here? Really to connect with amazing people who have the highest integrity, who really want the best for the world, and who are building communities of equals so that we can really change the world at a fundamental level.
Yeah, and how do you put TT into that picture? Like, what would you say is like TT in like all of that?
Yeah, so TT is the foundation. It's the tool so that you can process information, process more information, and make better decision. Because if you making a decision, you're going to be making that decision based on everything that you know and understand. And so if there's things that you don't understand that will end up harming others, by not having the information, you end up harming those people within those decisions. And so by using a tool like TechnoTutor, you're building the foundations to understand at an unconscious level. And so it makes all the difference because the unconscious is making so many decisions for us. Your breathing, your heart rate, like all this is automatic. And so without a tool like TechnoTutor, you can't integrate information at the unconscious level. And so when it's at the unconscious level, you're incorporating that information in your decisions.
Yeah,
you're making better
automatic.
decisions.
Exactly. Yeah.
And so by doing that, you create a world that's best for all because your decisions become more and more incorporating.
Sophisticated, based on the new informations that you are also learning. You just expand yourself.
Exactly.
You can see better because you have more knowledge on like so many things.
Exactly.
That's wonderful.
That's how you unlock your potential.
Yeah, thank you so much, buddy. So come over here, my man, Michael.
What's up, Viany?
Yeah, I'm doing good. Damn, I like your hairstyle.
You like it? It's like the kids got in it. And like everybody has to get one touch.
Yeah,
you know?
it's
so
like
like they went
want
crazy.
touch. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
like
yeah.
how is that?
Yeah.
It's kind of like something that you just paste in there, but it's actually real.
Yeah, it is. It's the real deal.
So tell me, Mike, what is like, why are we here and what's TechnoTutor for you? Like?
Well, we're here to meet with like-minded people on a level that a lot of us never have before.
Yeah, 100%.
And TechnoTutor, what I'll share is the common thread that I noticed and why I got TechnoTutor. I see there's two groups of people in the world. There's the people who, like all of us, don't have like everything that we want in life typically. Group one kind of just accepts that as it is. And then group two is the other people who are like, why? Like, why is that? Like, how can I try and change these things?
Yeah.
And within group two is like a lot of different people that are into personal development, all sorts of different groups and stuff.
Yeah.
But even most of them like don't actually end up changing much, if at all.
Yeah, giving up most of the time.
Yeah, I mean, I was one of those people, and that's what I was hearing the story with everyone who used TechnoTutor was one of those people, and nothing really changed for them until they started using TechnoTutor.
Yeah.
If you understand what the natural learning ability is, well, then it makes sense because that's what TechnoTutor is working with.
Yeah.
And nothing else is.
100%.
Yeah, you're gonna have to do some more homework.
Yeah, that's it.
And I think it's worth investigating, right?
100%.
Yeah.
You have to, because otherwise,
if that didn't sell you to at least like look into it more, then
if you like don't really want that change, because if you are into personal development, stuff like that, that's because you want to improve your life. And we all want to improve our life. It doesn't matter if you are into personal development or not, because
Right.
it's just a term to describe that process. But if you really want to like take things to the next level or just change a few things or whatever that is, it's best to really consider, not just consider, but because it's the only way to actually change them by using TechnoTutor, so that you really have real results, not feeling good today and tomorrow you go back in the same pattern, basically. Awesome, Mike.
yeah. Thanks for having me.